Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add braille tables in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then on the accessibility, go to Vision section and find and tap the voiceover. Then after that, in this part, in the voiceover, tap the braille. Then in the braille section, tap the braille tables, just like this. Then in the braille tables, if you want to add a braille table, just tap the add braille table. Then in this part, you can add or choose the braille table that you want. For example, you want to add Afrikaans, just tap it and choose between Live Loose or System. For example, tap the Afrikaans in the system. And as you will see that the Afrikaans system is already here in your braille tables. And that's it. We have successfully added braille tables in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!